Hello and welcome back to TK's Bar. I'm your host Tessa, and today we're going to be making a spiked apple cider sour. This is my own little creation that I made the other day, and I want to share it with you guys because I think it's super good. If you have the opportunity to get your hands on these ingredients, because I know that one of them is kind of like more of a Canadian thing and I don't know if they sell it in the States, but if you can get your hands on these ingredients, I highly suggest trying them because this is an awesome drink. Now, it doesn't follow exactly a sour recipe, but I thought it does have elements of a sour in it. It also does have elements of apple cider in it, and it is spiked. So I feel like it's somewhat true to its name. I just feel like there might be better names for it. So if you have a better name, comment it down below. So this is a whiskey-based cocktail, which means we are starting off with our whiskey, and we're actually gonna be using two different whiskeys. We're gonna be using my personal favorite, which is our Crown Royal Apple. You could always substitute this in for Jack Daniel's Apple if you wanted, or another apple whiskey, but this is just the one that I have on hand and the one that I'm gonna use today. Then I also have some cinnamon whiskey. This is Fireball. You could find a different cinnamon whiskey if you want, but this is just the one I have on hand again. So our secret ingredient today is this maple cream liqueur. And the guy at the liquor store said that it's pretty syrupy, but when I tried it in a cocktail, if you do it in a shaken cocktail, it's actually not that bad. It is quite sweet. It's almost like a Bailey's or a Carolyn's, but with a little bit of maple syrup added to it. That's what it almost tastes like. And so it's really, really nice in cocktails where you'd use Bailey's. And in this cocktail, if you don't have this or you can't get your hands on this, maybe just try putting a little bit of Bailey's and a little bit of maple syrup and mixing those together. And I'm sure you'd come out with something very similar. It won't be the exact same, but it will be similar. So yeah. Then we've got our fresh squeezed lemon juice. And then our final ingredient is gonna be our apple juice. So starting in the bottom of our shaker, we're gonna start off with 1 full ounce of our Crown Royal Apple. Next, we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of our Fireball. It smells so good. Okay, anyways, 1/2 ounce of our maple cream liqueur. 1/2 ounce of our lemon juice. And then we're doing 1.5 ounces of our apple juice. So if you can tell by the ingredients, this is gonna be a bit of a sweeter drink, but that's the way I like it. So let's fill our shaker with ice and we'll give it a quick shake. So for once, I've actually chilled down my glass. Then we're just gonna strain this into our chilled down coupe glass. So I don't know if you can see from where you are, but there is a beautiful little layer of foam there. Not because we have an egg white in there, because obviously we didn't put that in, but just because of the cream, shaking that cream liqueur. So this is gonna be really, really pretty. So to garnish this up, I'm just gonna put a little bit of cinnamon, but I'm only gonna do it on half. Okay, so last thing to do is just taste it. Let's go. It's sweet, it's balanced. There's a little bit of like flair of sourness at the end, but it's not overpowering. You can definitely taste the little bit of spiciness from the Fireball and that little bit of like creaminess from the maple cream. The apple and the maple go really, really well together. You can't taste the maple as much as maybe you think that you would. It definitely is more apple cinnamony, but it is still so amazing. So yeah, definitely you should try this. It's so good. So I love this cocktail. I'm really proud of it because I came up with it all by myself. If you want to try it and you do try it, let me know what you think of it in the comments below. I think it's a really fun cocktail. It definitely is on the sweeter side, but if you like sweet things and you like sweet cocktails, this is a really good one as like a nice like fall or autumn cocktail, kind of similar to a sour, but not exactly, you know, and a little bit more apple-y. So hopefully you like this. I love it, and I hope that you can see that I love it. But if you like me and you like this channel, I would love it if you gave me a like on this video and subscribe down below. And yeah, hit the bell for more fun. Other than that, thanks again so much for watching this video. I really, really appreciate it. If you haven't checked out my Halloween series that just passed, you should definitely check that one out. Thank you guys so much, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!